Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to track a package using the UPS app. So first, open the UPS app and sign in if you're using a UPS account. Now look for the tracking option on the main screen and enter your UPS tracking number into the search field. After submitting it, you'll see the latest available tracking information for your package. This can include the current status, recent location updates, and the estimated delivery date when available. If you're signed in and the shipment is connected to your account, then you may also see it automatically in your package list. Then keep checking the app if the package is still in transit. Remember that tracking information doesn't always update immediately, especially when a package is moving between facilities. And if there's an unusual delay or delivery problem, then use the support option provided by UPS. So that was how to track your packages using the UPS app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.